We will solve question 12 of exercise 9.1. Let's read the question first. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degrees. And the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degrees. Our goal is to determine the total height of the tower. Here are the important key points. The building's height is 7 meters. The elevation angle to the tower top is 60 degrees. And the depression angle to the tower foot is 45 degrees. Now, let's look at the diagram. AB represents our 7-meter building. CD represents the cable tower. We draw a horizontal line AE from the observer's eye. This is crucial as angles of elevation and depression are always measured from the horizontal. Notice that because AE is horizontal and BC is the ground, ABCE forms a rectangle. Therefore, the segment EC, which we call H2, is exactly equal to the building height, which is 7 meters. In triangle AEC, we use the 45-degree angle of depression to find the horizontal distance A. Since tan 45 is 1, AE is also 7 meters. Now, in triangle AED, we use the 60-degree angle of elevation. Using the distance A we just found, we calculate H1, the upper part of the tower, which is 7 square root 3. Finally, the total height H is the sum of H1 and H2. Adding 7 square root 3 and 7 gives us the final height of 7 times the square root of 3 plus 1 meters.